Hey, you guys ever wonder how you can create a little video montage in the background of your website to make it look nice and clean, make it look professional? I'm going to show you exactly how I do it, and it's super easy to do. What's up there, guys? This is here once again with Do It Yourself SEO, where I help home service businesses and contractors understand search engine optimization and website design to help their business get found online, which equals more leads for their business. And on this quick video, I want to show you guys how I set up and structure those cool little video montages in the backgrounds of a website. The reason that I built those out, when I started learning website design, I saw some websites that were doing it, and I thought it was pretty damn cool to do something like that. And so when I started to figure out how to build these sites and using WordPress and Elementor and all these things, I learned how to do this for myself. I learned how to cut these little videos and put them in the background. And it's really not that difficult, especially with WordPress, Elementor. Like I said, my favorite way of building websites. It's easy. Like I always tell people, some dummy truck driver like myself can figure out how to do this. I'm sure anybody else can figure out how to do this. So I'm going to show you guys the steps that I take on how to create those cool little montages to begin with, where I set them up and then eventually place them on the website and how to do that. Let me show you real quick. So usually when I set up one of these little video montages for a client of mine, usually I'll just have them send me video clips of whatever they got going on for whatever the industry in. Usually what I do is like, I always tell them I want horizontal videos, not a vertical. Verticals, I know everybody records with vertical because that's just how people do now. But when it comes to a website, it just works better if it's horizontal, the video clips. So even if they don't have any clips, I tell them just record something. Maybe if you have some stuff in the past, just send it over to me and I'll cut it and edit it and I'll set up something. And it usually only takes me like maybe 5 minutes to set something up. It's not very difficult at all. And usually when I set up these montages, I only send them up to show up on a desktop and maybe a tablet. On a phone, not really, because I don't see people just kind of want to get to the point with a website on the phone and just call the customer and whatever it might be. So usually they'll send me these clips. Sometimes they're 30 seconds, a minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes. All I do is just take some of their clips. I use iMovie because it was free on my computer. I know there's a bunch of different little video editing software. Some of it's free online, but to make these clips, you don't really need anything. Just set this up. So what I'll do is I'll get the clips, upload them onto the iMovie, and then I'll just usually like to cut them into like 4-second little sections. So this guy didn't give me much, but I made it work, right? So he gave me one clip and I used it to basically make two. And then another clip with him working. So there you go. See, you got this one, him cruising with his truck and trailer. And I took the same clip but started it over where he's coming in. I took a clip they had of him moving a bunch of garbage, setting it up, and another clip of basically the same. I think it was the same or maybe a different one of his truck cruising. So that's all I made. It was like 16-second little clip. Downloaded the file and I uploaded it on to his WordPress website. Really that easy. I'll show you another option that you can use. So the next option you could usually use is just Canva. I'm pretty sure you could do with some of the free account, that you can get a free account with Canva and they'll have some clips that you can use. So let's say you are a remodeling contractor. Maybe you have some video of what some of the stuff you've done, but you want to fill it in with some other extra stuff. I'm going to show you what you can do. So you just go on to, and make sure myself is in the frame here so everybody can see me. So just go to, you want to try just build a video, right? So we just go on there and click on it, and then it'll set you up, and you can start looking for things like kitchen remodel, clips about kitchens, right? In the elements, look for videos, and you'll see a bunch of clips on here for kitchen remodels or just kitchens in general, right? And then all you'd have to do is add a section here. Let me move myself out of the way here. Like add this right here. Now let's say you like this clip, right? Set it to the background. And see how it's 6 seconds? Just drop it down to 4. There you go. See, if I've done it with a few already. I found some out there and just put them all together. I'm just pretending this is a kitchen remodel page. So this is why I'm just setting it up like this. But then that's all you do. And then what I usually like to do is just set it up for 4 seconds each. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's like a 25-second little clip, right? So here's my little clip that I've created. Let's go start it over here. Right? So this will be playing in the background of my website for kitchen remodel, right? So I just created this clip. Looks good to me. Now I'm going to show you how I put it into the WordPress website. And that's why one of the reasons I like WordPress so much, because it's so versatile. So you can do so much stuff with it. And even like I said, even a dummy like me can figure it out. I'm sure anybody else can figure it out. So basically I'll just download this and save this file, right? And then I'm going to upload it to a WordPress website. I'll show you how to do that next. So now the next thing is to basically place it in the background of my website, right? So I'm going to use my template here and use this as the tester to show you guys how to do this. So every WordPress website has a place where you can upload all your pictures, and it's called media right here. So what I do is just add a new media file, right? And what I'm going to do is basically select that file I just made from Canva, from iMovie, whatever it might be. Here it is right here. It's only 20 seconds long. So I upload it. Let me move myself out of the way again. I just wait it out. It's going to load it, right? And there you go. My clip's on here. Now it says copy the URL of the clip. Now I can post it on here. You'll see that clip exists on my WordPress website. Maybe there's a different way of doing it, but this is the way I do it, and it works out great, right? So there's that clip. It's a 20-second clip. It's doing its thing. It's basically hosted on my WordPress website. This, like I said, this is the way that I do it. There might be other ways. I know there's a way you can place this video on YouTube, and you create a clip that you can attach to your WordPress website. I've done that too, but I just find this to be a lot easier. So I'm going to show you. So this video is now saved on my WordPress website, right? So now we just go back to the home page, right? Edit with Elementor, my favorite builder here. So here I am using Hello Elementor and the Elementor website builder, like a drop and drag type thing. So here's my main header, right? So I go to this one right here. It looks like a 6-pack. Click on that bad boy, and you're going to see the background, right? Let's go to the style part of it. See, right now I have this image set as the background. If you click on here, it'll show you, do you want to place a video? Bam. So there's that video, right? So there's another video I set up for somebody else a long time ago, saved on this website. But here's that one video, right? So here's that video I just uploaded right onto my WordPress site, and I just copy this URL, right? Copy that. Now go to this. This is where the video link's at, right? I click that and paste it on there. And there you go. That's set up. Now you just hit update, and there it is. A little video playing in the background of the website. Pretty cool, right? And then you can set it up to play automatically when somebody lands on it. You could change this background. Watch, I'm going to show you what else you can do. Let me go back to this here. And this is a fallback picture. Let me go into this real quick. So if for some reason the video doesn't want to upload, you can place a video it'll be a backup for it, right? So if somebody opens up this website on a slow connection and this video doesn't want to play, this image will show up instead, so it doesn't slow it down, right? So this is play on mobile. No, we don't want it to play on mobile. Play once. No. Yes. No. So we wanted to keep playing, right? And that's all we have to do. So see how it shows up on a tablet and on a mobile, if we wanted to do it on mobile, right? So we put no. So when somebody looks up this website on mobile, the image shows up instead, just to not make it sluggish. Or if you want, you can place it, right? And it'll show the image in the background. Totally depends on what you want. But that's all you have to do to set up a video background. So now you can see that 20-second clip just keeps replaying, and looking good in the background and things like that. So that's how I do it. Like I said, there's another version of you take that same clip, you put it on your YouTube channel, make that YouTube video private so nobody sees it, and just copy that same URL for your YouTube video and then place it onto your website in the background. Another thing you can do before I end this little clip here and show you some other tips is just go on here. If you want to change the background color more, it's the overlay part of it, right? So you got the video playing, and then you could overlay another color to it. Let me show you real quick. Go to the little 6-pack, right? Go to the style. Go to background overlay. See, you could change this color to red, black. You could change it to yellow, green, whatever you want. Usually what I like to do is make it black. Let's go back to this. Make it black, and then just make it a little bit dark. You know what I mean? Just like so the letters and stuff can pop. Or you can make it completely bright. Totally up to you. So that's the great thing about Hello Elementor and the Elementor website builder, the theme that I use and all that stuff. It makes it super easy. Actually makes it even fun to work with stuff like this. So that's how you set up the background of a website, and the reasons that I like to use a video montage, because I really do believe, I talk about this often. You can check it out on this video at the end of this video. I'm going to send a clip to it where I believe that Google really pays attention to the amount of time people spend on a website, and it has a huge ranking indicator to make that website show up more and place it more in front of your customers. So if you want to learn more about that, go ahead and click on the link on this next video here. And that's all I got for you guys today. And if you guys want some more information on what I offer, all my links are in the description below. That's all I got for you guys today. Until next time.